friends over at Broil King sent me the ultimate care package, and it starts with 4 of their bags of pellets, the Smokemaster's blend, the mesquite and oak blend, the cast iron rib roaster. This is a cast iron griddle or plancha. I've got an apron, a rotisserie basket. Kind of excited to use that. They also sent me the rotisserie unit, along with some more grilling and smoking tools there, and a cover with the Crown Pellet Broil King 500 smoker. I'm excited to put this thing together, guys. This is going to be the ultimate. This is going to be some fun. So let's go ahead and put this thing together, and I'll catch up with you in about 5 minutes. All put together. I'm pretty excited about using this one. I noticed some different features that this one has different from my other pellet smokers. It has those side skirts on the inside, so you can actually put your food on all the way across on both edges. It's I think it's a really nice feature to have. It's very well insulated there on the inside. It's nice and it's put together very nicely. I've got a couple of pegs here. This is for your BBQ tools that you want to hang on the side. And we're just going to go ahead and do the Burnout. I've got the mesquite blend pellets that I'm putting in it, an 18-pound hopper. And we're going to see what this thing can do. Pellets, they look to be of very good quality. They smell great. They look good. You know, it's pellets, and I've never used this brand. You know, this is going to be a first time deal for me, but I'm excited to get this thing turned on and cranked on. I'm thinking that I'm gonna do a brisket cook on it for the very first cook. I feel very confident that that cooking chamber, the way that it's set up on the inside with those stainless steel side skirts, it's just a really nice feature. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm gonna cool it out front and throw some Pam on these cast iron grill grates just to get them, you know, a little bit seasoned before I even light this thing. Nice little coat all over on the inside. Just focusing on the grill grates themselves. I'm not looking to put it on the cook chamber or anything like that. All in time, it'll get there, you know. So really nice control panel, and I will have more videos coming up. It's 100% Wi-Fi. I did not hook it up to my Wi-Fi yet, but that's coming. I'm gonna set it up to 400 and just let it rock for about a good hour and a half or so. What I'm noticing also, it has a timer feature on the actual control panel to let you know like how long you've had it running. And this is the back of it. That's the exhaust. It's just all across the top of the back. I think it's kind of nice. I think it's kind of flashy. I'm excited to get to cooking on this thing. There's the nice seasoning that went down there. Got it burned off very nicely. Guys, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I think I found my newest brisket smoker, honestly. This thing held temperature very nicely. It produced quite a bit of smoke. I tested on those low temps. It's a very easy clean out. You know, again, let's welcome Broil King to the Trumpet Master 77 channel. Very excited to get cooking on this thing. Let me know in the comments what you guys would cook first. But here's how you clean out the fire pot. Check this out. You just shake it. Man, you can't beat that. I like that feature. Very nicely. Cheers to you all. Many cooks on the way. Peace out.